Here's exactly how an escape breathing apparatus like the Dräger CF15 works. In an emergency, when air becomes unsafe to breathe, every second matters, and this system is designed to activate instantly. The Dräger CF15 is a constant flow, emergency escape breathing apparatus designed to provide a continuous supply of air to support safe evacuation from hazardous environments. When the unit is opened, it activates automatically. This establishes a continuous flow of breathing into the hood without manual operation or adjustment. This fail-safe design ensures the air is delivered immediately, reducing response time in critical situations. The hood is quick to put on and designed to be simple to use, even for individuals with minimal training. Its design is suitable for users with facial hair or glasses, and the large visor provides a wide field of vision during escape. Once activated, the CF15 delivers a continuous airflow of approximately 35 to 37 litres per minute, providing up to 15 minutes of breathable air. This gives users the time needed to exit hazardous areas safely. The system also includes a warning whistle that sounds before the air supply is exhausted, helping users maintain awareness during escape. Designed for reliability, the CF15 requires minimal maintenance, and the pressure gauge can be checked externally without opening the unit, ensuring it is always ready when needed. In emergencies where conditions can change rapidly, having a system that activates instantly and operates reliably can make all the difference. Frontline Safety is an official channel partner of Dräger Safety. We are also a certified Dräger breathing apparatus service partner. For sales and servicing of the Dräger CF15 escape set, please contact 0141 771 7749.